Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix won't send text messages in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option messages. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back and check your network connection works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset, and now again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.